In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert online pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a business pitch, adding high-quality online images can instantly make your slides more engaging and professional. The best part is that PowerPoint has a built-in feature that lets you search and insert images directly without even leaving the app. So if you want to improve your presentations quickly and easily, keep watching. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can either start a new blank presentation or open an existing file where you want to add an image. Once you're inside your presentation, navigate to the slide where you want the online picture to appear. Make sure that slide is selected before moving to the next step. Now go to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to add different types of content to your slides, including images, shapes, charts, videos, and more. After clicking Insert, look for the Images group in the ribbon. Inside this section, you'll see the Pictures option. Click on Pictures. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may see different options, such as This Device, Stock Images, or Online Pictures. If a dialog box appears, choose Online Pictures. This allows you to search for images directly from online sources without opening your browser separately. Once the Insert Picture dialog box opens, you'll see a search box. Here, you can type in keywords related to the image you're looking for. For example, if you're creating a business presentation, you might type business meeting, marketing strategy, or teamwork. If you already have a direct image URL, you can paste it into the search field if your version supports it. After typing your search term, press Enter on your keyboard. PowerPoint will now display a selection of online images based on your search. Take a moment to scroll through the results and find the image that best fits your slide's message. When you find the one you like, simply click on the image to select it. You'll usually see a check mark appear in the corner, indicating it has been selected. After selecting your desired image, click on the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. PowerPoint will then download and place the image directly onto your slide. From here, you can resize the image by clicking and dragging the corner handles. You can also reposition it by clicking and dragging it anywhere on the slide. If needed, you can further customize the image using the Picture Format tab that appears once the image is selected. Here, you can apply styles, add borders, adjust brightness, crop the image, or even apply artistic effects to better match your presentation design. And that's it. That's how you insert online pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint quickly and easily. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, choose Online Pictures, search for your image, select it, and click Insert. Using this feature can save you time and help you create more visually appealing slides without switching between applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.